fractions. Multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, children, now we know fractions. The numbers which are in the form of free value are called rational numbers and also called fractions. So, fractions means 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 third of 3. 1 by 3 means 1 part of 3. 2 by 3 means 2 parts of 3. And 5 by 6 means 5 parts of 6. Okay, children? 8 by 3, 8 by 10 means 8 parts of 10. These are the fractions, okay? Here, fractions are of two types. One is proper fraction. Another one is improper fraction. Okay. Difference. What is the difference? How to find it? Improper fractions, denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is greater than numerator means the number which is in the denominator is always greater than the number which is in the numerator. Some examples of these proper fractions are 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 9 by 20, 8 by 20, like that. Here, if you observe here, this is the denominator. Denominator means the number which is under the first number. So this is denominator and this is numerator. So here 3 is greater than 2 means denominator greater than numerator. Here 2 is greater than 1 means denominator greater than numerator. And here 30 greater than 8. So denominator greater than numerator. So these are the proper fractions. Proper fractions are means denominator is always greater than numerator. In improper fractions, numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator and greater than b. So some examples of this are 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 6 by 5, 7 by 4, 10 by 6, 8 by 3, 20 by 3, 50 by 5, like that. 50 by 6, like that. These are the examples of improper fractions. See here, if you observe here 3 is greater than 2. 3 greater than 2 means numerator greater than denominator. 5 greater than 4 means numerator greater than denominator. Like that, numerator means improper fractions means numerator is greater than denominator, and proper fractions means denominator is always greater than numerator. So next topic is mixed fractions. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. 5 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Like that, mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. And a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Here we can convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Only improper fractions into mixed fractions. we can't convert proper fractions into mixed fractions. We only convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. So all the improper fractions are mixed fractions. So all the mixed fractions are improper fractions. So all the mixed fractions are improper fractions. So we can convert any of these number into mixed fraction, but we cannot convert these into mixed fractions. See here one example here. I am taking 3 by 2. I am taking 3 by 2. 2 here 3 and in 3 2 one time 2 here and 1. So 1 by 2 1 and this can be written here and 2 can be written here. 1 by 2. Children, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction means if we want to, first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. And after we get the product, we have to add this product to this number. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, and 3 by 4, 3 by 4. First we have to multiply these two numbers. It goes at 12 and we have to add this number. 12 plus 3 15. 15 by 4 is the answer. Like that we have to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay children, we only convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. We can't convert the proper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay. Has to do. Okay students, and first of all review exercise, and in that first problem is true or false is given. You have to tell this is true and this is false. And example after an improper fraction is quadrature. Here quadrature is given and it is the example of improper fraction. He said it is the proper and improper fraction. It is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So it is true answer. And 1 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. 1 3 by 5. Here mixed fraction is given. So mixed fraction is not a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is a improper fraction. Mixed fraction is not a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is a improper fraction. So it is false statement. Okay. And 3 2 by 7 equal to 3 2 by 7 equal to 23 by 7 is given. So we have to first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2 by 7. So first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. 7 is 21 plus we have to add this 2. 21 plus 2 23 by 7. So 3 2 by 7 is equal to 23 by 7. It is true. 29 by 5 equal to 5 2 by 5. So first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. 5 5 25. Now add this to 25 plus 2 27 by 5. But here 29 by 5 is given. So these two are not equal. So it is a false statement. 12 by 12 is a improper fraction. Here 12 by 12 is given. So numerator equal to denominator. So it is not the improper fraction. So false. Okay children. And the next problem. Next problem is on addition. Addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Okay, in the first one is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here in this first one is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. In this type of problems, first of all we have to take the LCM of these numbers. We have to take the LCM of these four numbers. So here we have 4. So the LCM of these 4 is root 3 here. 4 4 4 4. In 4 table 1 time 1 time 1 time 1 time. So 4 into 1 4. So So 4 is the LCM for these four numbers, and 4 in 4 table one time. So 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, and 4 in 4 table one time, 1 into 1 again 1, and 4 in 4 table 1. So 1 into 1 1. Again 4 in 4 table one time, 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. I get 4 divided by 4. Here and here numerator and denominator is sum, so these two are cancelled each other. So the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. Okay children, see second one. 7 and half, 7 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 2. This is given. In this type of problem, first we have to convert this fixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 by 2 plus 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 by 2. So take LCM for these two numbers. Here both numbers are 2, so the LCM is 2. So 2 in 2 table one time. So 1 into 15 15, and 2 in 2 table again one time. 1 into 1, 1 into 15 15. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2. If you divide this 2 in 13, 30 15 times, 2 15s are 30. So the answer is 15. Okay children, now I will give some more problems to you. Okay children, do these three problems as homework. We have to do addition for these numbers. Thank you children. Bye.